In the book of Daniel, three young men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, faced a fiery trial. Ordered to worship a golden statue, they refused, standing firm in their faith. Thrown into a blazing furnace, they emerged unscathed, protected by an angel. This story reveals the power of unwavering faith and divine protection. Just as the trachea channels air to sustain life, faith channels strength to the soul. Their courage inspires us to stand firm in our beliefs, trusting in a higher power to guide and protect us through life's fiery trials.